This is how to enable the Hey Google voice commands on your Samsung Galaxy Android device. This is OneUI 8.0, but it works more or less the same on most Android. You can use Gemini by pressing the power button or the side button to show the Gemini AI Assistant, unless you have the side button set to a power menu. And this is now the Gemini. It's going to show what's the weather tomorrow in Larnaca.
In Larnaca, there'll be light rain with a high of 17 and a low of 12.
Okay, if I say Hey Google, nothing happens. Let's enable the Hey Google hands-free options. So go into the settings and then find the Google account settings. Tap on all services. Under all services, scroll until you see the search assistant and voice. Tap on this. Here tap on Gemini. Under Gemini you have lots of options here, but you have this option, talk to Gemini hands-free. Say Hey Google to get help from Gemini. So this is the option you want to enable if you want to use Hey Google. Go hands-free with Hey Google, ask Gemini to make calls, send messages, play music, set timers and more. Turn on. And now I have to say a few things. Now I have to say a few sentences so that the phone will recognize my voice but not someone else's voice. When I'm talking, if someone else says Hey Google, it will not recognize their voice, it will not take their commands. So I agree. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. That should be enough. Now it's ready, press done. And I will choose not to use that. And now this setting is enabled. Now I can say, okay Google, set a timer for 5 seconds.
I have set a timer for 5 seconds. It will go off at 11:07 p.m.
Now Gemini is working with the OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
In Larnaca, there'll be light rain with a high of 17 and a low of 12.
You can either use the OK Google or Hey Google.
Hey, how can I help you today?
You can also ask one question, then ask another question. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? But don't tell me too much, just the temperature.
On the 18th in Larnaca, expect a high of
Okay
17
Google.
and a low of 12.
Okay Google, how about in Nicosia?
On the 18th in Nicosia, expect a high of 17 and a low of 11.
So it's kind of a conversation. This is especially useful if you're in the car and you don't want to use the phone. You can do a hands-free chat and you get information out of Gemini just like this. Thanks for watching.